Hello everyone, I'm Sir JC and you are watching OralCom Simplified. For today's video, we are about to discuss the communication strategies. Through the influence of technology and the way we live today, successful communication is not hard to achieve most of the time. But there are times that, however we want the communication to be effective, it just does not flow the way we want it to. To be an effective communicator, there are strategies that a person uses to make the conversation a success. In this lesson, we will take a look at the different communication strategies to become better communicators. Communicative strategies are plans and methods of communicating information used to attain a specific social, linguistic, or psychological goal. The ability to employ such strategies ensures not only the success of the speech, but also the improvement of the communication experience for both the speaker and the listener. The communication strategies are nomination, restriction, turn taking, topic control, topic shifting, repair, and termination. First, nomination. It is a communicative strategy where one speaker introduces a topic to be talked about. It is usually employed at the beginning of interaction to set the purpose of the conversation. Nomination is also a strategy that one uses when one wants to start or continue an interaction. Examples are giving inquiries, giving compliment, asking for opinion, or offering for help. This could efficiently signal the beginning of a new topic in the conversation. However, avoid asking questions that are too personal. Examples: have you heard about the new normal? I saw your reels on Facebook. It is really great. Hello, I guess you are familiar. Have we met before? Second, restriction. It is a communication strategy where responses are limited or restricted according to a set standard. These instructions confine you as a speaker and limit what you can say. Example: in your class, you might be asked by your teacher to brainstorm on peer pressure. In this case, you cannot talk about something else. Third, turn taking. Turn taking is a communication strategy where one speaker knows when to stop talking and gives the other speaker the chance to talk about the topic. You can use this strategy to avoid taking over the whole conversation. It allows all the participants to have a chance to speak. Remember, you have to listen to the other person talking instead of just waiting for your turn to talk. Examples: what do you think? You wanted to say something? Fourth, topic control. It refers to a communication strategy where one speaker leads the conversation by asking questions. This strategy keeps the communication flowing without moving away from the topic. This strategy keeps the conversation focused on the topic throughout the discussion and keeps the development of the topic by asking questions. It controls or prevents the unnecessary shift of topic or interruptions from the conversation. Examples: okay, so much for that. Let's go back to our topic. Going back to what we are talking about. Fifth, topic shifting. It is a communication strategy that is appropriate for introducing a new topic. Topic shifting requires good timing and also conversational transitions that indicate a shift, like moving on. In addition, by the way, before I forget, which reminds me of, and the like. This strategy is used to change the topic to a new one. It is also a smooth transition instead of abruptly changing the conversation. Examples are moving on to the next topic. This time, let me tell you about. Now, let's talk about 6. Repair. When communication breaks down, one can use repair as a communication strategy because it fixes or resolves what has been broken down by the clarification and repetition. This strategy allows both speaker and receiver to address the problem to avoid communication breakdown. Examples are requesting clarification or making a clarifying question, requesting repetition, requesting definition, translation, or even deeper explanation. Examples. What I mean is, let me repeat myself. Could you please clarify? Sorry, but can you repeat your question? Lastly, termination. It is a communication approach in which both speakers agree to conclude the conversation with verbal or non-verbal signals. Sometimes, the termination is fast and brief. It is sometimes extended by corrections, further questions, or the continuation of a previously covered topic. Most of the time, the topic initiator or the person who opened the topic takes responsibility to signal the end of the discussion as well. In other situation, you may end the topic by sharing what you learned from the conversation. Examples. It is nice catching up with you. I must be going. Thanks for your time. See you around. Regards to your wife. See you next time. And that's it for today's video about the different types of communication strategies. I hope you learned a lot. See you in our next video.